It does look like Bailey's Crosstrek has a fog light bulb out, so this does give me an excuse to do a little modification with you today. We're going to be installing some LED fog light bulbs, some yellow ones. It's only going to take a few minutes. Let's get started. So to get this bulb and get it out, we're going to have to take this portion of the under trays off, this side and the other side. We're going to start by taking these clips off, and then we're going to access a 10mm bolt that's under there. You don't even need to take the 10mm bolt out. You can actually just fold this downwards so that you can access the back of the fog light housing. So we can take this bulb off. Next, we're going to remove the electrical connector. The connector comes right off the bulb once you press this and pull off of it. That's it. Time to twist the bulb off. And as far as getting the bulb itself out, you twist counterclockwise and pull it out counterclockwise from the back side. So like this, and pull it back. And it's the same thing. The new one, we're just going to pop it in and turn clockwise. And for replacement bulbs, I'm using the C-Light LED. They're supposed to be 4,000 lumens and 3,000 or 3K color, so super yellow. These are supposed to be brighter than these. Reason why I went with this rather than the pod lights is it's a fraction of the cost. It's like not even 30 bucks for a pair of these. It's got a heat sink, and they're still supposed to be brighter than the stock ones and last quite a while. Dimension wise, it's not much larger than the stock bulbs, so it doesn't have that huge fan assembly behind it like some other LED kits, which might get damaged when I cross a river anyway. So I found this to be the most reliable aftermarket option that's not $200. Again, putting it on, just plop it inwards and turn clockwise. And that's it. Then you plug the electrical connector on the back side of it, or bottom side of it. And that is it. Time to put the trims back on. It is super yellow. Also super bright versus the stock one. That's what the difference looks like. We'll test out how bright it actually is at night, but it's significantly brighter and a lot more deeper yellow than the stock one. All right, it's time to do the driver's side. Doing it the second time was even easier. All you really needed to do was take the two front clips off and fold this down. Then you have access to the bulb. As far as tools go, I really just used a flathead and a trim tool, and that's it. If you found any of this information useful, make sure you smash that like button. And if you like this kind of content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. But for today, this is going to be it. Thank you for watching.